If your crypto looks stuck in Coins.ph, you're in luck. Here's a quick way to move it to Binance. First, open your Coins.ph app and log in. Tap the Portfolio tab, then hit Withdraw. Select Send Crypto and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Pick Send to External Wallet and choose your network, Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. Next, jump over to your Binance app. Log in, go to Wallet, and tap Deposit. Select Deposit Crypto and pick the same crypto and network you chose in Coins.ph. Copy the deposit address. Head back to Coins.ph, paste the Binance deposit address and enter the amount you want to send. Review all details carefully and confirm the transfer. Don't forget to save the transaction hash for reference. Remember, double-check the deposit address to avoid losing your funds and be mindful of network fees. Now, sit back and relax while your crypto moves over to Binance. Easy, right? Got more crypto questions? Hit that subscribe button for more quick tutorials.